All right. Why am I old? Why am I fat? I just want to address the elephant in the room. Why am I old? Why am I fat?
Old fat.
Why am I old? Why am I fat?
Why am I old? Why am I fat?
Hey, we're back with why am I old and why am I fat? Can I ask you a question?
Oh my God.
Does the dick get old? You can't judge a witch by its ability to suck Jesus's cock.
But then he let it slip, sort of like he was telling me
Sounds
that
like you let it slip.
I just looked very long into her eyes.
While I was drinking and I didn't break it either and it creeped me out. I can't. You're in your own. You've won a year's supply of yarmulkes from I Can Smell Your Hana Cunt from here. Yeah, let's do a quiz.
So this.
I just don't have one of those voices where I can hide anything. Yeah, let's do a quiz. Hey, bud. Are you my discreet bud? My discreet gym bud. Hi, bud.
Hi, bud. Do you like discreet?
We talk about the plight of people with micro penises. We haven't talked about the people with micro ass. That's a struggle.
Can't even see.
Can't even see it. It looks like people think it's a freckle. Looks like they got a piercing at Claire's. Did you go to Piercing Pagoda and get your ass done? Happy happa. Yep. And you myself with the top of your like it's a grape.
Because honey, what you find isn't always a dick.
I don't want to do this with you anymore.
No, you have to.
I will never forget you in this outfit, sitting with your iPods in at a table with the script over and over going,
Please, Dawn, it's Christmas. Please, Dawn, it's Christmas.
like on a loop to yourself.
I'm just kidding. I know what last name.
Obama.
What's that? She had the chance to
What'd she do? She didn't say happy birthday to Sarah.
She didn't say happy birthday to Sarah! She could have, if she made some excuse, she could, the time that she spent making the excuse, she could have just said happy birthday to Sarah. Anyways.
Sharks. Oh, that's an airplane. Oh, it's Mile High Club.
And the plane goes straight up the ass.
And no, it's not a shark. You fucking blind bitch.
Oh, shark in the pussy? I'm there. Okay.
Deep sea diving, mama. Born in the game.
Animals.
Oh my God, love. Well, very into animals. Well, wait a minute.
Also, what the f was Kennedy?
Hi, I'm just a little bit scabby, Trixie Mattel. Just a little. You're supposed to cry. And I don't get what, here, this hair is upsetting me. That's why I'm crying. Why are we, I was in Wales alone. Why is that funny? Can I tell my story? Give me too much G, dip me in honey, and throw me to the lezzies. Just let them have me. Let them have me.
Throw her to the lezzies.
To the lezzies. They want to lick me, let them do it. They love it. Come on.
My body generates a lot of heat. It's like sitting next to a furnace.
It is.
Yeah. Don't say it with such disgust in your voice.
It is. Ew. You got shit all over you. You got shit all over that little head. That little head. Ooh, that little
What
head.
is that from?
I don't know, I'm just saying it. You know what? Form a thought, think about it, and if it's me, probably don't send it. Like, I think twice about it. Okay.
I had to.
Shopping.
I had to.
Would you want some of my fat in your butt? Because that way I don't have to. You want fat in my fat in your butt? Because that way it's not gonna be. I can sound like a donor. I can get plastic surgery and be like, I'm doing this for my friend. Like she needs a kidney.
Yes, yeah,
But
yeah.
she needs my flab.
You want my fat, you butt?
I don't know about you. And I don't know about these people that taught you.
Once they get into that steak free,
No.
sis. Once they lick up on that pomme de terre, they're out of here, bitch. Babies also, during the bath, sometimes poop in the water.
No ho.
No, there is
That's
how.
all.
I wish there was no shit.